Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to dive into a really cool feature that's exclusive to the Google Pixel 9 series, the Pixel Screenshots app. But don't worry, even if you don't own a Pixel 9, I've got a way for you to enjoy this amazing app on any Android 14 device, no root required. What is Pixel Screenshots? Pixel Screenshots is a powerful app that takes screenshotting to a whole new level. It offers a ton of advanced features that make capturing and editing screenshots a breeze. From automatic AI-powered enhancements to custom layouts and styles, this app has it all. Keep in mind that the AI processing features in Pixel Screenshots won't work on all Android 14 devices. This is because the app relies on Gemini Nano, which is part of the on-device AI hardware chip found in the Google Pixel 9 series. If your device doesn't have Gemini Nano, you won't be able to use the AI-powered enhancements. Now, let's explore some of the awesome features that Pixel Screenshots has to offer. Automatic AI enhancements capture screenshots and let the app's AI magic work its wonders. The AI will automatically enhance the image, improving contrast, color balance, and overall quality. Create unique screenshots with a variety of customizable layouts and styles. Add text, arrows, shapes, and more to highlight important elements. I hope you found this video helpful. Pixel Screenshots is a fantastic app that can greatly enhance your screenshot experience on Android 14. Don't forget to download the app from the link in the description and give Pixel Screenshots a try. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.